Hey sis, how soon does your Amazon stuff ship?
2 days.
Maybe while you're here, I might see if they have some online.
You're in charge of that. Okay, stop. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't tell if I'm stopping or starting. She's gonna get mad at me. Okay. Oh, whose ball is that? Whose ball is it? Yeah. There. Yes, you can see her from here. Just from here, okay? There she is. She makes squeak noises, but she's not a squeak boy.